Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.